In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NordVPN on Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find and add the official NordVPN extension to your browser using the Chrome Web Store. This process is the same on Windows, macOS, and Chromebooks, and it only takes a couple of minutes. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. If you use multiple profiles, make sure you're on the one where you want the extension installed. It's also a good idea to have Chrome updated so you see the same menus and buttons I mention here, as updates can slightly change how things look. Next, look to the top right of Chrome for the three vertical dots. This is the main Chrome menu. Click it to open the drop-down. This menu gives you access to settings, tools, and importantly for us, your extensions. From this menu, click on Extensions. This takes you to Chrome's extensions area where you can manage what's already installed. If your screen looks a little different, you might see a link to Manage Extensions. The goal is to reach the page where you can view and manage them. On the Extensions page, find and click the button that says Visit Chrome Web Store. This opens the Chrome Web Store in a new tab, which is where you safely discover and install extensions. Using the Web Store ensures you're getting the official version, not a copy from somewhere else. Once the store loads, use the search bar at the top left and type in NordVPN. Press Enter to see results. Look for the official NordVPN extension. You can confirm it by checking the developer name and overall reviews. Taking a second to verify the publisher helps you avoid lookalike listings. When you've found the correct listing, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will show a small prompt explaining the permissions the extension needs. These permissions allow the extension to do its job in your browser. Review them, and when you're comfortable, click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install the extension, then show a brief confirmation. You may also notice the puzzle icon in the toolbar, which is where your extensions live. From there, you can access the extension whenever you need it. If you don't immediately see it, that's normal. Chrome keeps extensions organized behind that puzzle icon. That's all there is to it. You opened Chrome, went to the extensions area, visited the Chrome Web Store, searched for NordVPN, and added the official extension. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more private browsing experience right from Chrome.